This is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you where to share your location on the Google Maps. So what you want to do on your Android phone is go to the Google folder and go to Google Maps right here. And then to share your location with friends or families members, it's very easy. Just go to your icon in the top right, going down to location sharing, and then you can go to share location. And then you can decide if you want to share with your location 1 hour or until you turn this setting off. So you can indefinitely share your location with a family member, and you're going to see all your different contacts and your address on there too. And then they'll be able to actually view your location live on that map. So if you're trying to meet up with someone, you can both share each other's location and send yourself, you'll be able to send them like a little text message and it'll bring you to the page and you can start viewing them very easily. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.